So, welcome to this video. Hello guys, my name remains Onozuke Chukwagozi. In this video, we'll be delving deeper into how to use Chatgpt to create our compelling ad copy that is engaging and appealing to our audience. Also, this ad copy must meet Facebook advertising policy, must meet Google advertising policy, must also meet Bing advertising policy or any other advertising platform that you are using. So remember, in the last video we saw how we use ChatGPT to write our ebook from beginning to the end. We even went ahead to create bonus ebook and bonus materials. From there, we went ahead to write our copyright and disclaimer content. We also went ahead to draft a compelling ad copy with our ChatGPT. So in this video, we are going to be streamlining and seeing how powerful ChatGPT can be used as far as running Facebook ads is concerned. So this is our ChatGPT interface. If you don't know how we got here, try to watch the other video because it broke it down a little bit. So this is for that business owner that is super busy and will want to make things a little bit easier and faster for themselves. You want to save money, you don't want to pay maybe some of these copywriters to write your copy for you. Here is ChatGPT and it's going to do the job for you. It's going to get the job done for you. So here we are going to ask ChatGPT to write a compelling ad copy for a health product, and you just input it there like that. So imagine you have this health product that helps older people reduce rheumatic pains. Write a compelling ad copy that is engaging and appealing to the audience. So we are still going to streamline this, but let us ask ChatGPT to do this for us right away, right? So it does its thing, is all right. So this is ChatGPT doing its thing, all right? So you can lift this and use it to design your landing pages or your sales pages. And here we have it, introducing Roma Relief. So it actually came up with a title for your ad copy. So your ultimate solution to free yourself from rheumatic pains. Now it goes ahead to say, are you tired of waking up to relentlessly joint stiffness and throbbing discomfort? Do you long to enjoy life's precious moments without the shackles of rheumatic pain? Look no further, for Roma Relief is here to transform your life. So ChatGPT even come up with the name of the product, and it goes ahead. So unlock the power of active living, and it goes, so experience the rheumatic difference, unleash your mobility. So it goes ahead to give you all the benefits that you get for using this particular product. All right, so all the benefits, remember, it's not telling you about future, but it's telling the user what the user tends to what benefit. Is all right. Seize the opportunity for a pain-free tomorrow, and it goes on and on. Then there's a brief disclaimer at the end. Roma Relief is a dietary supplement that may alleviate rheumatic pains. It's always advisable to consult with blah blah blah. Now this thing is a little bit so lengthy. This copy is what I actually want to use it for Facebook ads, but it's a little bit lengthy. All right, so we want to make it very brief and summarized. All right, so let us tell ChatGPT this copy is going to be used for our Facebook ads. All right, so this copy is going to be used for our Facebook ads. If it's Google ads, you go ahead and put it to Google ads. All right, so come up with a copy that meets all requirements. All right, so that meets all requirements. Once you mention Facebook ads, it brings up all these emojis. Remember, emojis is kind of a way to better engage with your audience. All right, now it's looking a little bit shorter than the first, but it's still longer for me. All right, rediscover the joy of living, say goodbye to rheumatic pains, and all those images and all those points and all that. All right, it's still basically the same. All right, so make this copy short while maintaining the important points. Alright, so make this copy short while maintaining the important points. Alright, so it's supposed to be important points. Alright, so I just used import points. So this copy is going to make it shorter now. I understand what is happening. So relieve romantic pains, reclaim your life, rediscover joy, say goodbye to romantic pains with romantic relief. So you streamline it to what you have. Remember, it's a very lengthy copy from here, and we ask it to do what? Make it what? Short while maintaining the important points. Alright, so living, active living, feel alive, trusted solution. Now call to action, shop now. Alright, you can put the link to your website or your landing page, then embrace freedom, choose. Alright, so note, so there's always a short disclaimer. Alright, so this is super crazy. Chatgpt being used to write compelling Facebook ad copy. So you can even ask it to, alright, very good. So very good. So generate maybe 3 variations of these for women, men, and maybe general audience. so we want a copy that is targeting women, want a copy that is targeting men, and want a copy that is targeting both men and women. Alright, so general audience, let me just say, and both male and female. Alright, so here is ChatGPT. It will do for women, it will do that for women. For men, it will do that for men. And for both male and female, it will do that for male and female. So this is super crazy. Alright, ChatGPT being used to write your copy, and you can even use it to write copy for different audiences. Alright, now look at what it has for women. Relieve romantic pains, reclaim your life, rediscover joy, and you have that. And for men, it does the same thing. So but there's a tone to the voice that it uses for men and for women. Right, so this saves you money in the long run, and this helps you to work smarter and to work better. It saves you time, is that not? So you can even continue generating if you wish to. Right, so that is ChatGPT doing its thing for you. So hope you have learned something in this video. In the next video, we are going to be exploring more ways that you can use ChatGPT. My name remains Untitled Chapter. I'm always here to give you value as a business owner. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. We are always ready to answer all your questions. Go ahead and start creating your ad copy today using ChatGPT, and I assure you that you will definitely not regret it. See you on the next one.